Good morning, everyone. Today I have been called on the stage to deliver a speech. Today my topic is importance of English. First of all, what is English? English is an international language as well as subject. It has got a title of lingua franca. Lingua franca means common language, which is spoken all over the world. More than 325 million people of the world speak English. 80% of the internet is in English. English is the easiest source of communication. Now I am telling you why is English so important. Number one, office. English is the official language of many developed and developing countries. Number second, books. Mostly the books of science are written in English. So we can say that English is the storehouse of scientific knowledge. No one can be a good doctor, engineer and scientist without English. Number third, examination. In competitive examination of Air Force, Navy, banking, railway, etc., questions are asked from English. Number 4, interview. In interview, English is very important to describe about ourselves and explain some topics and answer the questions of interview boldly. English helps us to have more opportunities in life. Nowadays, more and more people are dedicating time to studying English as a second language. At last, I would like to tell you English improves our personality, change the mode of living, gives us promotion and respect everywhere. There is no way out to keep ourselves away from it. I hope if we learn it, our heart, success will kiss our feet. Thank you.